All right, so obviously you're going to want to open up local by flywheel. Then you probably at this point do have multiple sites, but you want to find the one that was your site that you're working on with Divi. And we're just going to go ahead and click to start the site. It's going to take a second, not awful long, but and then you're going to click on admin. Your thing's going to pop up with the login. It should just be VCP and VCP if you did it. Whoops. Apparently you already knew. Should just be VCP and VCP because that's what I told you to do. But obviously it would be whatever your login information is. Then what we're going to do is go to pages. The first thing I want to do, what we're going to do on this one is just create the home page. And you can see apparently I made one. So I'm just going to go ahead and trash this guy real quick. That's great. Okay, so that's how you get rid of a page if you need to. So we're going to add new. And that's going to bring up the default page editor, which is going to be the Gutenberg editor. This is kind of new, but go ahead and click on Use Divi Builder. And then it's going to go ahead and open up the Divi theme builder. Well, not the theme builder, but the visual builder of Divi. Let's try that again. It'll bring up the Divi Builder. It's going to give you three options. So these are kind of nice. Basically, you can clone a page that you already made. You can get a pre-made layout. So they have a bunch of them already on the interwebs and stuff. Basically, that's just templates that you can put your own content in. That's not really all that great. You can also use your own template. So you can save ones that you've done. There's actually a library that you can save all your stuff and then reuse it. But we're just going to go ahead and start from scratch. So click on Start Building. It's going to automatically start asking for all the things that you need. So we're just going to do a single column. We're going to remove this after anyway. I'm just going to go ahead and do a slider. I'm going to type in slider because it's a little bit easier to work with. There's my slider. I'm just going to accept the current results here. And then what I'm going to do is go down here, click on this, and you're going to see it gives me more options. This is how we save and all that other stuff. But right now, this page does not have a title. So to get to that, I'm going to click on this little gear. And this is basically the page settings. And we'll just call it home page. And we'll accept that. Okay. And then we're going to go ahead and hit publish. Okay. I'm going to come back to this page in a little bit. What I want to do now is I'm just trying to make it so it's actually my home page. Right now, this would not be the page that loads up. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on here or here. Either one works. So let's click on the name of the site. Then we want to go to settings and then reading. I don't know if you remember this, but and then right here, you'll see right now it says latest post. And what that means is that if I'm in local and I click on open site, what you're going to see is that it's going to open my latest blog post. Okay, so it'll say hello world, blah, 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 because when you install WordPress, it automatically installs an initial web page and an initial blog post and all that. So this is the one that comes up. So you see it says hello world. So by default, this is what pops up. That's obviously not what we want. We want instead to make it a static page. And the static page we want it to be is going to be that home page I just made. You got to scroll down and hit save changes. Great. And I think that it will be good for now. So again, now watch if I click on open site, you're going to see that instead now it's going to go to that home page that I just made. Theoretically. Come on. There. Okay. And now you can see now instead it's my home page, which is what I wanted. So yay. All right. I'm not worried about my post page because I'm not making any blogs. So we haven't really done anything with posts. We're just worried about pages. All right. So that's set up. And in the next one, we'll actually start working on the page itself.